Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Blender tutorial how to copy and paste object. We have this example object box, and if you want to copy and paste this object, you can press Ctrl C to copy and then press Ctrl V to paste. So you can move by using these move tools. Okay, I will move in green axis to drag them. You can copy paste again this object, like you can press Ctrl C and then Ctrl V for paste, and I will move the object into red axis. Or you can Ctrl V again to paste this object, and then I will move this object to the top. Okay, that's it, how to copy and paste objects in Blender. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.